Good morning. I'm meteorologist Callie Zanandrie. We'll get ready for the heat. It's because of this dangerous dome of high pressure. It continues to track to the east, making its way to our region today. And it's going to stay parked in place through the weekend and early next week before we finally see some relief come our way. The normal high for this time of year is 90 degrees. We will be well above that Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, where we could see record-breaking temperatures in the triple digits all 3 days. Some tips for staying cool with this heat and staying safe. You may make sure and stay indoors during the hottest part of the day. That's noon through 6 p.m. Stay hydrated. That really starts the night before. And find shade if you are outside. You want to make sure and limit strenuous activities and take breaks if you are outside, especially during those peak hours of the day. On the satellite and radar, quiet conditions statewide this morning. Only a few high clouds streaming in, and it should stay that way. Taking you up to Glenwood Springs this morning, a beautiful start to the day there with mostly sunny skies. On the Futurecast, a similar setup to yesterday, where we could see a few isolated showers pop in the high country. This is 3 p.m. this afternoon. Now, most of these will be gusty high base storms. What that means is that we're not going to see a lot of moisture, which we could desperately use. We'll see some light rain, but mainly gusty winds. Now, a couple of these could make their way out to northeast Colorado along the I-76 corridor. We could see a few thunderstorms later this afternoon through the evening hours before we see gradual clearing overnight. By tomorrow morning, another calm start to the day statewide with just an isolated chance for a few showers up in the high country by the afternoon, but staying sunny and dry here in the Front Range. Now it's what we've been talking about all week. That hot weather is making its way here today, especially out across the western slope, reaching the triple digits in Grand Junction today. And it's hot everywhere. Even in the high country, we'll top out at 89 degrees in Steamboat. Across the eastern plains, we'll see temperatures in the mid to upper 90s, close to 100 degrees in Lamar today, flirting with it. Here on the Front Range, most of us will be in the mid to upper 90s. 99 right here in the city, with the low 90s down in Douglas County, and out through the foothills we'll see the 80s by this afternoon. Overnight tonight, partly cloudy conditions, and temperatures will be a bit warmer compared to last night. We'll top out in the mid-60s here in the Front Range, but that will give us a little bit of relief from the heat. Cooler up in the mountains in the 40s and 50s overnight. And then looking ahead to tomorrow, that's when we really see temperatures take off. 101 on Friday. We do have that first alert weather day possible, and we do have a heat advisory in place. This is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, where we could see the extreme weather, 98 to 103 degrees. That's here in Denver, as well as up through Boulder, Fort Collins, and Greeley, and south through Castle Rock. Also, our friends through Colorado and Springs and Pueblo, we could see temperatures 97 to 104 degrees. And out through the west, we have the hottest weather expected there, with temperatures reaching 100 to 106 degrees Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That's why those first alert weather days continue. On Monday, it's still hot, 98 degrees and mostly sunny. Finally, on Tuesday, we start seeing some relief from the heat. We'll be back in the low 90s with a better chance to see some showers and storms in the afternoon. That monsoon moisture starts trickling in on Wednesday, with highs falling into the 80s.